Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Alright, hello to you guys, your girl Eunice here. So I'm going to be doing a half up, half down hair tutorial for you guys today. So let's go ahead and get started. I just have my hair already sectioned off. This is going to be the top part, and then I have the back part already together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little hair tie, and I'm going to kind of pull back the back section into a ponytail because I'm going to work on that section last. And this is a very simple hairstyle if you do have shorter or medium length hair, or even shorter hair. I might find that this really works well with. So let's see. If you guys see like my scalp is like flaky, and yeah, like my scalp is going through it right now. I am noticing that my scalp is a little bit drier, and then I'm using IPSY gel. I don't know what's going on, but it is not agreeing with my products or whatnot. Like my IPSY gel usually doesn't flake on me, but it seems like it's flaking on me now. So I'm gonna have to probably rewash my hair, but I really don't want to have to do that because I already washed it. So I'm just kind of like, well, we're just gonna have a little bit of something left in there. But what I'm doing with this top part is that I'm just going and I'm just adding in some of my leave-in by Shea Moisture, my JBCO leave-in. I love this stuff. It just gives my hair really good moisture and hold. Next, I'm going to go in with my IPSY gel, or actually before I do that, because my scalp is so dry, I'm going to go in with some of my Daughter of Eve oil, just for the scalp though, real quick, because I don't know what's going on. But your girl's scalp is on some thirst right now. And I'm just going to massage that in really quickly. But I don't have my other gels or paste that I use. And I'm just going to apply it to my hair like so. Okay, just a little bit, because my hair is already not agreeing with the IPSY gel itself. Alright, then I'm going to go ahead and take a brush, and I'm going to brush that all up into a nice ponytail. I'm going to center my ponytail. Alright, taking a ponytail holder, I'm going to create a nice ponytail. Alright. I'm going to take a bobby pin. I'm going to take my hair and I'm just going to pull it to the back like so. Create a bun kind of like this, and then I'm going to pin it. Like so. Okay, so now that my bun is done, I'm going to move on to the back part. So I'm going to untwist these. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit more Miko Styler to my edges. And I'm just going to style these edges real quick. And then I'm just going to take my scarf, my regular scarf, and I'm going to tie my hair up for about 5 minutes. Just to lay down my front part, make it lay a little bit better. And then I'm going to put on some makeup and come back and show you guys the whole final result. So stay tuned. Alright, so this is the final results for the half up, half down hairstyle.